Hi, Lars Olson here, Arizona Travels, and a bunch of video and footage from the Grand Canyon. And we are starting to get a little bit of thunderstorms, boom booms in the distance. Don't know if it's actually going to rain here, but it might, or in the distance. Yeah, there's still plenty of humidity. It's about 90 degrees and very drippy and humid up here. But yeah, it is way up here at elevation, as you can kind of see behind me. And yeah, so hope you enjoy the footage. There'll be more stuff going up on Facebook, and also there'll be a link somewhere to my Etsy store, because some of these images, some still images I'm taking, will probably be part of Grand Canyon prints that I'm going to sell on my Etsy store. So hope you enjoy them, or if you want some art to hang on your wall, dress up a little bedroom somewhere, hint hint, and support my channel. Thank you.
Lewy. Vlogueira. Absoluut. Ja, beetje vlogueira. Zus. Ga door, hè.